Good morning. It's calendar time. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And remember yesterday I told y'all that yesterday was the last day of August, which was August the 31st. So now we're actually in a totally different month. We're no longer in August, but we're in September. So as you can see, I kind of changed the colors because September is basically when fall is going to start, but it hasn't started yet. So we're still in summer. So the month is September. And this is how you spell September, September. So the date today is, the 1st of September. So we're going to put a 1. And Miss Alexa just went from the top to the bottom. And I tried to make that as neat as possible. I'm going to erase it again so you can see what I did. So this week we are working on our 1. So we should do from the top to the bottom. 1. And I tried, it's kind of a little crooked, but if yours is a little crooked, that's okay, because in time you'll get it straight. So we're still in 2020. That hasn't changed. We're going to still be in 2020. We still have October, November, December, so we still have 3 more months to be in 2020. So the number 1 is an odd number. So how do we spell odd? O, D, and D. So it's an odd number. So what I did was I made a circle and then I took a line and went from top to bottom. I made a circle, put my line from top to bottom. So the month is September. The date is 1. Today is the 1st. The year is still 2020. The number 1 is an odd number. So then we go to our next slide. So the weather today is partly sunny. So that means that there's a mix of clouds and sun. So what we're going to do is we're going to circle that. Remember, I told you to try to do it as neat as possible. I start my open circle and I come right back to the point that I started at. So I'm going to do that again because I want you to see how I did this. I started my open circle. I came all the way down and I came around. And where I started my circle is where I'm going to end my circle. So you see how neat that is? And yours should be neat too. So the season is what? We're still in summer. We haven't finished yet. So although it doesn't look summery out there, it's still summer. So open circle, come around, close it where I started. Boom. Just like that. See how neat that is? And I want to see yours neat. So now the temperature, I can't say that it's warm, y'all. It's actually hot out there. No, really, you're sweating. So I'm going to put hot on mine. But if you feel that it's just warm outside, that you could tolerate it, go with it. But it really is hot. So how do I do it? Open circle, come around, close. Open circle, come around, close. So what clothes can we wear today? Clothes I can wear today is what? So I can wear a shirt. Miss Alexis messed that up. So Miss Alexis has done something here. Okay, I got it. So I'm going to move my face so that you all can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to circle the circle. The shirt. Remember, open circle, come around, close your circle. Open your circle, come around, and then close it. It's too hot for a sweater, a jacket. It is too hot for a sweater. So we're going to circle shorts, open circle, come around, and close it. See how neat that is? We can do pants. Although it's hot, we can still do pants. Okay, cool. It looks neat. I like that. So, on our next slide. So, yesterday was Monday. We're going to circle it. Today is what? Today is Tuesday. And this is how you're going to also learn your days of the week if you don't know them. So this is why this is up here. And I did it purposely like this so that you all would know that you can see your days of the week. Like yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday. So let's see. So we already know tomorrow will be Wednesday. And I'm doing these videos so that you all can see my face. But at some point, you should be able to do this on your own because it just becomes a habit. I know my days of the week. I know what day comes before what day. I know what day comes after what day. So, but I want y'all to see me do it. So this is for kindergartens. You all have been in school for 10 days. So 1 and a 0. Around, close my circle. My 1, I went from top to bottom. I tried to do it as neat as possible. So, and I'm going to do my 1 again. So 1 is just a straight line from top to bottom. There we go. 1. What's my 0? Open circle, come around, and close it where I started it. There we go. Boom. And so my 1st through 4th grades, you guys have been in school 15 days, 15. So you all are going to put a 1 up and down. In a 5, you're going to go across, stop, come down, and bring it around. So, piggy bank. Classroom piggy bank. We have 11 people in our class, so 1 and 1. And so today is a what? We already said that the number 1 is an odd number. So then we're going to trace our odd. Start at the top, come around, close it where you started it. Your D, same thing. Come around, and then go up, bring it down. Close that circle. Close it. Okay. So you can start here, come around, go up, and you can bring it down. D. So now we know we have the base 10, but guess what? Today is only the first day of school. So we only have to color 1 cube. That's it. Just 1 cube. We don't need to color anything else after that. Just 1. So we're going to color our 1 cube. And because I'm on this board, I'm going to try to do it as neat as possible. And you want to stay within your lines. You don't want to come out of the lines. So that means take your time. Don't rush. Take your time. You can use a crayon. You can use your expo marker to do this. But when you color, you actually want to go all in one direction. You don't want to color any kind of way. So I think I kind of did this the best way that I could on this board. So it looks okay. It could be better. But my board is kind of not the best. My pen is is not the best, but still, we still want to do it to the best of our ability. And naturally, coloring the lines comes within time. Some people have that knack for just doing it. They're just a pure artist. I'm not that person. You know, your teacher really isn't. So I'm honest enough to tell you that. But make sure you color just 1 because today is just the first. Today is just the first. And so that concludes our calendar for today. Make sure you send me your pictures. CAlexis@BethuneGC.org. I can't wait to see your work because I know you all are going to do some awesome work because we've been doing this for how many days now? How many? Okay, for that amount of days. So 9 days, 15 days. My kids that were with me last year, you guys know what to do. So I just want to continue to see those pictures to make sure that we can have some growth going on. And I see that some of y'all that's been coloring your pages, you're actually getting much better. Thank you, Kevin. I like how you do your work. You're working hard, Aiden. Proud of y'all. You guys are doing awesome work. So this concludes our video.